Hi there. My name is Jonathan, and I'm here with the customer success team at Goosechase, and I'm joined by my fine feathered flockmate over here. And today we're going to walk you through how to invite and manage your participants in your Goosechase experience. So log into the studio, hop into your experience, and let's get started. Perfect. So once you arrive in the studio, you're going to want to head over to the publish page for this part of the walkthrough. We'll start off with how to invite your participants. When inviting participants to a Goosechase experience, you have three different options: the invite link, a QR code, or a join code. These three options can be found within the participants page of the studio, but you can also find your invite link in the bottom left-hand corner of the studio as well. For the invite link and the QR code, if your participants already have the Goosechase app installed and they follow the link or scan the QR code, they'll be brought to the experience automatically. If they don't have the app installed, they'll be brought to a page where they're prompted to then install the mobile app. Once they've installed the app, they can then either follow the link again, scan the QR code, or paste the link into the app to join the experience. For the join code, they'll need to have the app downloaded, and once they do, they'll be able to paste this code into the app to join the experience. Goosechase now has a web app. This means that participants can join through their web browser instead of needing to download a mobile app to participate. If you have participants that would rather join through a web browser, or you would rather your participants join through a web browser, we recommend using an invite link or a QR code instead of a join code. The invite links and the QR codes will take participants directly to a web page that will have a link to continue on into the web app and go directly to the experience. If you use a join code, participants are going to need to manually go to play.goosechase.com to access the web app, and then create an account or sign in, and then search for the experience using the join code. So it's a few extra steps, while an invite link or a QR code will take them there directly. That's why that's our recommendation. Next up, we'll take a look at how you can organize your participants within your experience. You'll have four different options here. The first one is in teams or as individuals. This means that participants, when they join your experience, can either create a new team profile, allowing multiple devices to play under the same profile, or a new individual profile, meaning only one device per participant. You can set it to only in teams, meaning participants can only create team profiles when joining your experience. You can set it to only as individuals, meaning participants can only create individual profiles when joining your experience, or you can set it to all do it manually. This means that participants cannot create their own teams or profiles, and they must be pre-created by you, and then you'll advise participants which team or profile they need to join when they join the experience. Another important thing to note is that you can still pre-create teams and profiles for all of these modes, only this one will restrict it so participants cannot create their own teams and profiles. One last thing to look at is you can set the maximum number of members in teams through this box here. If you uncheck unlimited, you can set a restriction to how many devices can join a participant's team. So this is a good thing to do if you want to limit how many people are playing under a team profile. Finally, we'll scroll down and take a look at the participants list for your experience. This will be a list of all the individual profiles or team profiles that have joined your experience, as well as any of the team profiles or individual profiles that you've created for your experience. You'll be able to see the image for the profile, the name, what type of profile it is, whether it's a team or whether it's an individual, how many devices have joined that profile, and then on the right-hand side, you'll be able to see the passcode for that profile. Passcodes are created two different ways. The first way is within the app by participants when they create a team profile or an individual profile. And the second way is by you if you're pre-creating a team profile or an individual profile. Passcodes are important for allowing other participants to join the created team or individual profile. So if a participant creates a team within the app and they want other participants to join their team, they'll need to share their team passcode with them, so that when that participant tries to join the team within the app, they can enter that specific team passcode. As well, if you pre-create teams or individual profiles, you can share this passcode with the participants you want to join that team or profile. These passcodes are not mandatory, and they can be either removed by you from the studio or by the participants from within the app. If you want to create a new team or individual profile, click the blue Create New button. Here you'll be able to add an image, a name, an optional passcode, and set what the profile type will be, whether it'll be a team or an individual. If it's a team, you can also set a specific device limit for this team. Once you're done, click Save. If you want to edit an existing team, click the 3 dots next to the team you want to edit, select Edit, and you can make all the same changes here. The important thing to note is that if a participant has created this profile or team within the app, you will not be able to change the image for the profile, but you'll be able to edit everything else, including the passcode, the type, and the size of the team or the profile. Again, click Save when you're done making your changes. Finally, if you'd like to delete a team or profile, just click the same 3 dots, select Delete, and then confirm you want to delete the team or profile. Oh, looks like the higher-ups are telling me it's time to wrap up, so I will leave you with this. If you need any more help, feel free to reach us using the chat function in the bottom corner or by emailing us at hi@goosechase.com, and we'll be happy to get you on your way. That good for you? Sounds good to me.